In this RoutBot CNC application video, we will see how to use the emergency stop. The emergency stop can come from several sources. It could come from a limit switch if we have enabled the limit switch. In this case, we didn't enable the limit switch, so the ESTOP cannot be triggered by a limit switch. Or it could also come by a ESTOP that we have wired. And also, if it was to come from that source, we would have to enable the wired ESTOP. But we didn't enable either limit switches, and we didn't enable the ESTOP, the external ESTOP. Therefore, the only way we can stop the machine with an ESTOP button is to press the ESTOP. And right now, the RoutBot CNC is machining that small house, and we can see the CNC is at that location. And we're going to press the ESTOP to stop that machining. It's trying to do that part, and eventually it will go to another location. So we're going to press the ESTOP. As soon as we press the ESTOP, the machining stops and the CNC stops. Now, what we need to do to be able to continue, we need to reset that fault. And to do that, we click on the Reset Fault button. Now, RoutBot CNC asks us if we would like to blink the limit switch for 15 seconds. In this case, it's because sometimes if a ESTOP is triggered by a limit switch, the software allows us to blank the limit switch for 15 seconds, so it would allow us to move with the jogging away from that limit switch for 15 seconds, so that we will be able to clear the ESTOP and continue. In this case, we didn't trip a limit switch, and anyway, the limit switch are not enabled for this particular application. Therefore, we're going to click No, and we're going to continue. As soon as we click No, the software tells RoutBot CNC tells us that it's ready for the next command. So we basically stop the machining, and then we clear the ESTOP. And now if we go and display the G code again, now we can see that the CNC at the location where it was over there. This is where it was. And basically we stop everything. So now we're going to need to re-execute that part again if we want to continue. So if we want to re-execute that part is already loaded. It is ready to be machined. What we're going to need to do in that case is to start machining again, and we click on Yes. And then RoutBot CNC will re-execute that part. It will remove to the next location, the first routing location, which was that first hole over here, and start machining it and resuming its machining one more time.